Here's the situation. This is my hot and cold water source for my outdoor shower. Well, you can see these PEX tubing is under a lot of tension, and if you look at this part here, it's like really tweaking it upwards like this. And it did the same with this side with my cold water, but it ended up breaking the seal on this part of this one. And we all know these RVs are not made professionally, no matter how much you pay for them. And you can see what a quality job they did here. Instead of 90-degreeing it or using flex hose, they just bent it and put all kinds of pressure on it. So, you know, this one's eventually going to do the same thing. So what I did is I cut this one, put a cap on it temporarily because it was leaking from here. And then I went and got a few items. I'm going to put an extension to go up here. I'm going to put a T so I can branch off with a male threaded. And then I'm going to use one of these. It's half inch. And I'll go from the PEX to here, and that way there won't be any of this tension on it that the high quality work at Jayco did. And of course, when you're driving down the road, this is bouncing, and you know, it's inevitably this one's going to break too. So that's my project. So what I have to work with here is I got my two flexible half inch double-ended female. I bought a bunch of extra stuff just in case, so what I actually need is this piece. These are what you can use to make 90-degree bends and PEX. They work really well, but I don't need them now. Okay, that's what I got to work with. Here we go. I've already drained the water out and released both of these, opened the valves so the water drained out of these. So I shouldn't get any water spraying out of my face, hopefully. And here we go. Let's cut this one. Best invention ever. Love that thing. If I knew how to put it down in the description below, I'll try to figure it out. But I'm sure everybody knows what that is. So I'm debating right now if I want to put this T and then branch off from here. Yeah, I can just put a valve at this end, so if I want to add some other stuff I can do that here. I think I'll do something like that. I already made this one the other day. I think I'll go ahead and use that. I'll just connect them here. I'm going to do a little dry fitting first. Maybe I'll go that way. Put this. That's not the right size. Son of a biscuit. I grabbed 1/2 inch, and this is a little bit bigger. Gosh darn it. It was in the wrong bin and I just grabbed. I didn't look. Usually I check, but I didn't because I was hungry. So I'm only going to do the cold water for now. I'm not going to do the hot water until I get another valve. Dang it. It's gonna go there. This little guy's gonna go there. That should work. That's what we're looking at. And that will go there. I'll just put a plug here for now. Yep. Go ahead and put the plug in this side. This is a 1/2 inch plug. Alrighty. Now this is going to be the difficult part. Let's try to tighten this one down here. Let's see if I can figure this out. This thing opens up so wide, this trigger mechanism, that it's hard to get it in. And I can't close it all the way because the pipe's in the way. Of course I have to. There we go. Okay. So now I've got everything connected. I've got me a valve there, shut off valve in case it leaks again. And then this one is going to have the flex going from here to here. And then this is going to be, I have a plan for that later on for something else. Alrighty, now this goes here. Okay. Turn it on and see what happens. Turning the water on. Okay, nothing leaking. Fits beautifully. Probably could go with less than 20 inches, but it's not hurting anything. I'll do the hot water later whenever I get the proper fitting. I forgot. Now let's test out the outdoor shower, see if it works. Here's the hot and the cold. Yep. And there we have it. If you have one of these in your RV, I would just suggest you cut the pecs, put a right angle, one of these guys with a male end, and a 1/2 inch, not this, I did too large there. And then buy you one of these and go from your pecs to here to prevent this angle that's going like that instead of 90 degrees, because all of the tension from the pecs, if you look at it, the pecs is just like worked around there really hard. The blue one was like that too, but worse. That's why it broke the seal. Bob's your uncle.